Welcome to Trailvia channel. Before we begin our journey, please like, share, and subscribe to Trailvia channel so these stories reach all who seek them. There are places on this earth, tucked away from the clamor of our modern world, where nature and human imagination entwine to make something extraordinary. Not grand parks with bold signs, but whispered sanctuaries that must be sought out and discovered. They are living narratives, each with a unique story and particular magic. Today we follow the whispers to 5 secret gardens around the world. Prepare to be transported. Deep in Mexico's Sierra Madre Mountains lies Las Pozas, the surreal creation of patron Edward James. For decades, he labored to build a world of his own imagining. Fantastical concrete sculptures rise from the jungle floor, a collaboration with nature where architecture bows to the wild. To wander here is to step into a living painting, crossing narrow bridges over the waterfalls that name this place. Staircases ascend toward the canopy, leading nowhere and everywhere. It's a slow, beautiful dance of ambition and nature. From jungle dream to storybook memory, we reach Kent, England, a place that feels like a childhood dream revisited. Behind these walls, Frances Hodgson Burnett found the seed for the secret garden. Inside, windbreak walls cradle color and scent, a sanctuary where you can almost see the robin showing the way. Far to the north, a garden sleeps beneath snow, then erupts under the midnight sun. The legendary Tibetan blue poppy glows with ethereal blue. Open 24 hours, it's a testament to resilience made visible, where fragile beauty flourishes at the world's edge. In Cornwall, Heligan fell silent after war, sleeping for decades until a hidden room sparked its resurrection. A path drops into a subtropical jungle, where a swaying rope bridge crowns the adventure. In Kyoto, Kokedera invites profound peace. Access is limited to preserve its sacred hush. A strolling garden encircles a heart-shaped pond, swathed in over 120 varieties of moss. Thanks for watching Trailvia channel. We walked concrete dreams in a Mexican jungle, stepped into the pages of an English classic, witnessed life's tenacity at the top of the world, explored a resurrected Cornish estate, and found profound stillness in a temple of moss. Each garden speaks a universal language: beauty, resilience, and our deep connection to nature. They are invitations to slow down, look closer, and wonder. If you love these hidden gardens, please like, share, and subscribe to Trailvia channel. The world is full of quiet corners where wonder has taken root. Keep listening. Keep exploring. Keep following the whispers of hidden gardens on Trailvia. There is always another secret waiting to be found.